An aircraft carrier is a very large warship that works like a floating airport on the sea. It is used to protect borders, control oceans, and send help or power far away without land bases. Because it can travel anywhere, it allows aircraft to operate at any time, making it very important for defense, rescue, and emergencies. These ships carry many different types of aircraft. They have fast fighter jets for defense and attack larger surveillance planes to watch wide areas, transport planes to carry supplies, and special aircraft for communication and support. Helicopters are also very important. They can rescue people, carry supplies, transport crew, and help in emergencies. Together, all these aircraft make the carrier strong and capable of many missions at the same time. The flight deck on top is long and wide so planes and helicopters can take off and land in the middle of the ocean. Special systems help aircraft take off quickly and land safely even in rough seas. Inside the ship, there are hangars to store aircraft, repair areas where engineers maintain them, and fuel systems to keep everything running smoothly. An aircraft carrier is extremely large, often as long as several football fields and as tall as a building. It feels like a small city on water. Inside, there are control rooms, living areas, kitchens, dining halls, sleeping rooms, gyms, and even hospitals, all organized to support thousands of people. The crew of an aircraft carrier can be thousands of people, including pilots, engineers, technicians, cooks, doctors, and support staff. Everyone has a specific role, and teamwork is very important. People live and work on the ship for weeks or even months at a time, depending on the mission. Life inside the carrier is busy and disciplined. Crew members work in shifts day and night because aircraft and helicopters operate continuously. They live in shared sleeping areas or small cabins, eat in mess halls, exercise in gyms, and follow strict rules to stay safe. Despite being away from land, the ship provides almost everything they need to live comfortably while working. Aircraft carriers can stay at sea for many months without returning to land, carrying large amounts of food, fuel, and supplies. Some advanced carriers can operate for years without refueling, allowing long missions without interruption. It is amazing how such a huge ship can float and move smoothly in the ocean. It carries aircraft, helicopters, equipment, and thousands of people, yet remains stable even in rough seas. Modern technology and teamwork make life on board organized and safe. The cost of building an aircraft carrier is extremely high, often several $billions, depending on its size, equipment, and technology. Maintenance and operation also require a large budget. Only a few countries in the world can afford such ships, making them a symbol of power and advanced technology. Overall, an aircraft carrier combines air power and sea power in one place. It carries many types of aircraft and helicopters to defend, rescue, transport, and support operations worldwide. It is one of the most powerful and impressive machines ever built. A floating city that works smoothly, carries thousands of people, and supports aircraft far from land. Fighter jets are the most powerful and important part of an aircraft carrier's strength. These jets are designed to move at extremely high speeds, allowing them to respond to threats within minutes. They can take off from the carrier, complete their mission, and return safely, even in challenging conditions over open water. These aircraft are built with advanced technology that allows them to operate both day and night in all kinds of weather. Their systems help pilots detect targets from long distances, track movement, and make quick decisions during missions. This gives the aircraft carrier a strong advantage in controlling the airspace around it. Fighter jets on a carrier can perform many different roles. They can protect the fleet by intercepting incoming threats, support ground forces by striking targets, and patrol large areas of the ocean. Because they are so versatile, they allow the carrier to handle multiple missions at the same time, without needing support from land bases. The process of launching these jets is fast and carefully controlled. Within a short time, multiple aircraft can be prepared, positioned, and sent into the sky. This rapid response capability is one of the main reasons aircraft carriers are so powerful in modern defense. Landing is even more challenging. Pilots must guide their aircraft onto a moving ship with precision. Special systems and trained crews help ensure safe landings even when the sea is rough. This requires a high level of skill, focus, and coordination between the pilot and the crew on deck. Fighter jets also extend the reach of the aircraft carrier far beyond the horizon. They can travel long distances, carry out missions, and return, allowing the carrier to project power across vast regions without being close to land. Because of these capabilities, fighter jets make the aircraft carrier a mobile airbase that can operate anywhere in the world. They provide speed, flexibility, and strength, making the carrier a key part of modern naval operations